Welcome again back to CryptoJet, holders, shillers, and my fellow crypto degenerates. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the best crypto news, insights, and of course, my beautiful voice. Let's dive straight in to Sand today, where we're going to cover it purely from the technical perspective. So the first thing that we can see on this chart is actually a very nice zone of support, which did act as a resistance in the past. If we move on to the log chart and actually take a look at the price like this, we can see how big this move was actually, and how big this move before was, even though the prices were a lot lower. So we had a nice zone of resistance right here. It was respected, price went down. Then we broke through, came back down again, price was respected, and now we have a zone of support. And this zone of support actually held even through the crypto sort of crash, or whatever you want to call it. I call it a retracement and a correction in the market since March of 2021. And from then on, we just kept moving upwards, creating another nice zone of support that we're currently sitting on. Let's move back on the normal chart because it shows you, in the recent times, more accurate prices in relation to the previous ones. So we had a previous all-time high right here at about almost the $1 mark, which was broken out of, and we're currently at an all-time high of $1.2. Now, there was a lot of resistance at that point, pushing the price heavily downwards, hitting into this zone of resistance. I wanted to point out that the 50-period moving average is actually acting as a nice zone of support, and it will probably act as a support once again, pushing the price upwards from this move. Now, I like to do my analysis in a multi-time frame model, so it's called a top-down analysis. So let's move on to the 4-hour time frame and see what we can notice on the chart right here. What we can see at this point is a very nice sort of hammer candle that's formed right here, indicating a bullish momentum. Price did not actually break a previous lower high or lower low, so upside is not yet confirmed. So I would wait for a break of this zone right here before confirming upside. So that can look something along the lines of this. We break through, we make a retracement down into key Fibonacci levels, and then we continue moving upwards as the retracement was healthy and potentially aim for a new all-time high. Now, just to plot out the Fib levels, this is exactly how it will look. And what do you know, my experience has actually led me to draw this exactly at the 61% level. I'm quite proud of myself, let me just tell you that. So for the time being, we're looking bullish. However, if we do break below this zone of support, the next one will be somewhere around this zone right here. So let's just keep an eye on the market, see if we start creating higher highs and higher lows from here. If we do, we're probably moving bullish. However, if we have another wave of retracement and profit taking in the market, we may move back down into the $0.35 zone. Thanks again for joining in. That's all for me today. Make sure to subscribe, obviously, leave a comment if you have any ideas for future videos. And until we meet again, hold for dear life. I'll see you all in the next one. Adios.